Hello guys, welcome to Petra Podcast. So basically, in this lovely afternoon, we're gonna discussing about leadership. Leadership is not just about power; it's about vision, empathy, and the courage to make a tough decision. So before that, I have some people who are gonna sharing experience about their leadership, opinion, and experience basically. So we're gonna invite my people here. Come here, guys. Hey.
Hello.
Let's just sit. Yeah. Just sit.
Yes.
Don't have to so formal lah.
Yes.
Okay.
Not so formal, yes. Can I do this?
No, not like that. Not like that.
Please, just
Please,
still behave.
please
Still
behave.
behave.
Okay. Sorry.
So before that, please introduce yourself, guys.
From where? From?
Yes, you.
Yeah, from the
Hi
front.
guys, my name is Marco and I'm from University of Atmajaya Yogyakarta.
Yay.
My name is Satrio and I too from UAJ Universitas Atmajaya Yogyakarta.
Yay. Okay. Who are you?
And me. Who doesn't know me?
Oops.
Who?
Everyone know
Who are
me.
Who ya?
Who are you?
Hi, I'm Kersom. My NPM is.
No need NPM.
No need NPM.
Okay.
No need
We doesn't
NPM.
know.
Okay.
Duration.
Okay, nice.
And I'm from Paci.
Yay.
Okay.
So in here I'm just gonna asking about you guys' opinion about leadership. So what do you think, guys, about leadership?
Okay, who's gonna start
From
it
who?
first?
From you?
Me.
Oh, you can start. Okay.
Okay. From my perspective,
Yes.
leadership is about people who take charge of a group of people or an organization to achieve one goals, where the leader is supposed to lead them to success,
I
and
see.
they also making sure that none of the member of the group doesn't get left out or get left behind. So the both of the group is being held by the leader himself.
I see.
Okay, wow.
So what about from Marco?
Okay, me. For me, yes. Mostly like same as Satrio. The leader is the person who can lead. Who can lead many people. The leader comes for me. Leader comes with great communication skill and great mentality of the leadership. So the leader basically is the people who got charged to lead the group of people. That the group of people or the group must
Just
Lanjut.
keep
okay.
on.
The leader must can be lead the group of people to got some goals in the group. Okay, for some example, the corporate of the what is the English of perusahaan company?
Company, yes.
The company have a leader to the what is the istilah? What is the English of istilah?
Istilah
Mean.
Okay, the mean is pace setting. So the leader must have pace setting to the group of people that to take some goals in there. Okay, that's for me about leadership.
What about you, Gerson?
So if about the leadership, for me, the leadership is not just like a title. It's not just the position or he is or her like the most powerful on the group.
Okay.
Not just because he can do anything, but because he can make the groups going to the like the good ways to for the group. Like
Can you give us an example?
Yeah, example.
maybe this can be like me. Yes.
Okay.
I
Classic.
Personal experience. Okay.
no, don't be like that. Right? Maybe we can see from Elon Musk.
Okay.
It's Elon.
It's so apa terkenal.
Oh,
So famous. So
Right.
famous.
He's so famous. Like, we can know the like apa sih perusahaannya dia nih?
SpaceX.
Like
His company
SpaceX.
Yes.
His company is so not apa ya? Not make
Terkenal, well known.
yes.
Very well known, right? Okay.
We can know that SpaceX will go to the push.
To the moon.
Yes, to the
to the
moon.
space.
To the space. Yes.
Like space exploration, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And like I think the good leadership is not just like the boss you and saying you do this and this and this and this.
Okay.
But the good leadership is like let's we make this together and
I
make
see.
our group like
So
berkembang apa sih?
Develop.
Yes.
Yes, like that.
Okay.
Oh, so we had like many opinion about leadership. Okay, so it's very exciting about this. So I wanna ask you about what skill that leader must have.
Okay.
Start from who?
Start from who?
Okay, maybe
You
from
can.
me. Okay.
Okay.
In my opinion, the skill that leader must have, first of all, is the mentality of the leadership. But if you guys only have the mentality of leadership, but you guys didn't have good communication skill, what is the use of you guys having a good mentality of leadership? Because if you guys only have mentality of leadership, but you guys didn't have a good communication skill, the people who you led will be, let's say miscommunication. So if you arrange them to do A, they maybe gonna do B because you didn't have a good communication skill. That's from me. And what about you guys?
Okay, for me, to be honest, I agree with you that a leader must have a good mentality of a leader and a good communication. But also, from my perspective, you also need confidence.
Okay.
Because to lead people, you need to have confidence in yourself and the others. Because if you don't have confidence, let's say, of course people gonna doubt about you and you're gonna doubt about some.
Okay.
Like it goes both ways. Yes, it goes both ways. So it's a good thing to have like communication skill, mentality of leadership, and confidence.
Okay.
And that's for me.
I agree.
Agree.
I agree.
What? From your opinion?
So from me, I think the good skill, the first one is like can like adaptive. I don't know how to how to say it, because if there is like the problem on the group have a problem, like there's a problem and the plan A like gak bisa dipakai gitu kayak
I cannot be used
Yes.
because there's another factor or problem, right?
Nah, so the leaders must have like that skills, so he can lead the groups to like if there's like change
Change
apa
of command.
ya kayak punya rencana
Change of plan.
yeah,
Change of plan.
like new
Backup
plans
Yes,
like
yes.
that.
Backup plan like that.
Like backup plans.
Okay.
And then the second one is like at the listening.
Listening.
So if there is the like what ya?
What?
Like the anggota
member.
and the member of the group.
Yes.
So if they have a problem or have something what to tell to the,
they
the
can
leader.
they can tell to the leader. Okay.
Yeah.
So the leader can, if have the skill of good listening, so can like
help the member.
yes, help the member to solve the problem.
Okay, so the
Yes.
leader must have responsibility too about its own member.
Yes,
Okay.
Alright.
That's
can be
nice.
like
So
that.
basically, we got 7 point of skill for leadership. The first one is gonna be good at communication. Second one is confidence. The third one is gonna be leadership mentality, and the fourth is gonna be apa tadi? What's
Responsibility.
responsibility, adaptability, and etc. Okay, we're gonna go to the next question. It's gonna be, does a leader have to be having a good relationship or having a great bonding between members and the leader? What do you guys think about that?
Change from me.
Sure.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So for me, I think yes, 100%. Because if the leader is too cold, so the members of the group feel if going something like the jobs, they're like feels so not apa ya, nah kayak takut, feel scared,
I feel afraid.
feel afraid because the leaders can make them feel comfy, like if
So
Like
the
what?
member doesn't get scared to admit that he did something wrong.
yes.
Hey.
So the leader like make the members so feel bisa menjalani aktivitasnya itu kayak
Make sure that the activity
They can
is-
do the activity that they task for. No problem, bro. Take it easy. Take your time.
yeah, I think and then what, yeah, I think that's all.
Okay.
So what about you, Satrio?
For me, I agree with Gesong that it's a must have for a leader to have a good bonding with its own member, because it is a proof that you had a good relation with your own member, and it will also decrease the chance of miscommunication, because of course that the bonding between the leader and the member is so close together, the miscommunication will happen like less often, and of course, like Gesong said, the member of course will not afraid to admit that he did something wrong, and instead of hiding it, the member of course gonna ask for the leader opinion, like what do we supposed to do, what am I supposed to do about this, and instead of the leader just saying like you fix it yourself, you are the one who makes trouble of it, instead the leader could like, oh, let's think about it and we fix it together, we solve it together.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thank you.
that's for me.
Okay. What about you, Marco?
Okay, in my opinion, basically, mostly, I got the same argument like Satrio and Gersong. For me, if you guys, as a leader, you guys have to remember that you guys work as a group. Okay, if you guys didn't have, as a leader, if you guys didn't have a good relationship with your member, yeah, the comfortable zone
Yeah,
in
comfy
the
zone.
in the workplace,
Yes.
in the workplace can be reached. So the work in the office, for an example, yeah, will be what is the English of berjalan?
Working,
Berjalan.
Progress.
As a task.
progress.
Oh yeah, the progress in the work in the office will let's say you guys didn't have a comfort feeling in your office because example me as a leader give you a very very difficult task and I just give it to you, no communication, no whatever it is, I just give it to you, and when you failed at that task, I will be mad at you and I didn't give a solution. So as a leader, you guys must have the good relationship with your member because that's important for me in my opinion. Okay.
Are you talking from experience or what? Like it's a that's a relatable.
Yeah, is it from your
You can
experience?
tell. I can tell
Okay.
from my experience.
I see.
I see.
Yes.
Such a poor
Yes, I experienced something like that.
Such a poor guy.
little guy.
So sad. So
I own you lah.
so yeah, we had a lot of opinion that really exciting and incredible from this guy. So last question from me.
Okay.
So what kind of leader do you guys prefer? Some like having 100% strict authority or like some democratic leadership? What do you guys prefer between those two?
What? Strict one and
And the democratic one, like
Democratic.
such as humanistic.
okay.
Kind of like that.
Classic. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Democratic.
Democratic.
For me, democratic all the way.
For me, we gonna do it balance. Jadi 50%
I
of
see.
democratic and 50% of authoritarian.
Yes.
Strict, yeah.
Strict and
authoritarian.
authority.
Because in the workplace, in the office, for example, you guys need some good leader that can lead you to achieving some goals,
Yes.
and you guys need the leader who can guide you. What is English merangkul?
To
Hug.
No.
Merangkul.
Reach
Uh,
out. No.
reach.
Yeah.
Reaching.
reach out. No. Let's say
Guide and
guide.
Caring and love.
Caring.
yes.
Oh,
Because
shit.
kind of leader that can guide you
No
and
selfish.
can carry you over and with love. So
Yes.
you guys
Yeah.
have you can guys
That's
have
nice.
feel of serious in work, and you guys have comfortable feeling in work too. So guys, so you guys have balanced feeling in the office. That's from me.
Okay.
So,
So from the democratic side, what do you guys opinion about it?
What's the opinion about the democratic side?
No.
Do you guys prefer the work unseriously or
I mean, from me, like I said before,
okay?
why I choose the democratic all the way, because like I said before, for a good, let's say for a good organization or corporation to achieve some goals, there's gotta be some bonds, and
Okay.
for me that bonds gonna get achieved. We can get that bonding from democratic way, which is let's say, of course that's gonna be what is seniority?
Seniority.
Seniority.
Seniority in the workplace. But with the democratic pathway, with the democratic way, I mean, the seniority will not affect the workplace so much.
Okay.
Like there's not gonna be like age barrier or
Okay.
work hour barrier. Like
Okay.
everybody is on the same ground,
Okay.
I see.
because I mean we're on the same workplace, right? So yeah, it's gonna give us some. Of course, it's gonna need some balance. I mean, balance. To Marco is like 50-50 democratic and 50-50 strict.
Yes.
But for me, like the balance is like everybody is the same height, same ground,
Okay.
and no one think like he's superior or he's inferior.
Okay.
That's for me.
Sir. Good opinion. Okay.
So what about you, Gerson?
I'm like control C, control V with Satrio.
So basically copy paste, yeah.
Copy paste.
Basically agree with his opinion, right?
Yes.
So you didn't agree with me?
Sorry.
Whoa, calm down,
Yes,
calm down.
Sorry. Is that all, Mas Petra?
I think for now, yes.
Okay.
But I'm gonna do a summarize from this. So basically, leadership must have that 7 point scale, which is from a good communication skill, leadership mentality, confidence, adaptability, and then what's the
Good listening.
listening to the members and some sort of that. So basically, leadership must guiding the members of their group toward the goals that they're set up. So and everybody has their opinion about what kind of leader they prefer. Some guys need like 50-50 balance between the authority and democratic ones, and thus the others want to be like 100% democratic, where they can feel safe and comfortable with their leader. So basically, thank you guys for having you guys today. Thank you for joining
Thank you
us
for
at
inviting us.
Yeah, podcast.
Inviting us.
Huh?
Thank you for inviting us.
Yeah, no problem. It's my pleasure to talking with you guys. So basically, thank you for everyone from the audience side. Thank you for listening and watching us. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.